amplified growth, inclusive economy, sustainable business environment. This is the Philippines' golden age of infrastructure, fueled by an unprecedented boost in quality infrastructure projects. Starting with a One Digitized Government, One Nation project, the information and communications technology sector has launched milestone projects to ensure an ICT-enabled economy. In aviation, 2 new international airports have been completed, one under rehabilitation and another one up for construction. The Bohol-Panglao International Airport, the Philippines' first eco-airport, can accommodate up to 2 million passengers annually. In Luzon, the Bicol International Airport is on its way to completion, while the new Clark International Airport passenger terminal is now 67% complete. In the Visayas, the Mactan Cebu International Airport, dubbed as the world's friendliest resort airport, opened its world-class passenger terminal building for international flights. In the pipeline is another major airport, the New Manila International Airport. NAIA, one of the most improved airports in the world, is being upgraded. More modern airports mean travel and tourism opportunities. From 2016 to 2019, 83 billion pesos were allocated for roads leading to tourism destinations. Roads to open trade corridors and industries are given funds worth 18.37 billion pesos. On the countryside, the Agri-Infrastructure Program cultivates the Philippines' agriculture industry with 21.39 billion pesos allocation. As of the end of May 2019, 1,096 kilometers of farm-to-market roads were already completed. Major expressways and highways will be extended thanks to a $15 billion investment under the Philippine High Standard Highway Network Program. Travel time will be cut tremendously, which will help speed up regional development and competitiveness. Metro Manila's streets are also being decongested, especially with the Metro Manila Skyway Stage 3 along the country's major and historic road, EDSA. Connector roads to North Luzon will also be linked to EDSA. Down south, the Mindanao Road Development Network Program is improving logistics through the construction, rehabilitation, and improvement of about 2,847 kilometers of roads. Interconnectivity and accessibility is a challenge for the 7,100 islands of the Philippines. That's why a series of bridges linking island provinces is being fast-tracked through the Inter-Island Linkage Mega Bridge program. The Panguil Bay Bridge, envisioned to be the longest in the country, along with the Panay-Guimaras Negros Link Bridge and the Panglao-Tagbilaran City Offshore Connector Bridge, are the key focus of the program in the provincial areas. In Metro Manila, 12 new bridges will be constructed. To date, a total of 2,709 bridges across the country are already completed and more will be built. Railways will soon form a vein of growth in the Philippines. 6 major railway projects are ongoing, while 6 more are up for construction.
For decades, the Philippines has functioned on a total of 77 kilometers of operational railways. The government envisions to expand the country's rail network to 1,900 kilometers to benefit around 4.5 million passengers daily.
The 36-kilometer Metro Manila subway, running from north of Manila to NAIA Terminal 3, which broke ground last February, will cut travel time to just 25 minutes. The Metro Rail Transit Line 7 will move about 800,000 passengers once fully operational by 2021. Other railway linkages include the LRT Line 1 Cavite Extension Project, the LRT 2 East Extension in Masinag, and the North-South Commuter Railway Project, a 147-kilometer railway through Clark, Pampanga, Metro Manila, Calamba, Laguna. In Mindanao, Phase 1 of the Mindanao Railway Project is a 102-kilometer line from Davao del Norte to Davao del Sur. Maritime commerce is steered forward with a total of 159 port projects in 92 commercial ports developed. 41 new social and tourism port projects have already been completed, with 73 more still ongoing. Not to be overlooked is the country's educational infrastructure. A total of 71,803 classrooms have been built nationwide under the Basic Education Facilities Fund Program, benefiting 3.2 million young Filipinos. 67,608 more are being constructed. In disaster management, evacuation centers are assembled to be resilient, gender-sensitive, and compliant. Flood management projects are continually being pursued. These and more are just some of the highlights of the Duterte administration's infrastructure projects under the Build, Build, Build program.
You can see that much has been done, but much still needs to be accomplished. Expect that in subsequent years, more and more improvements will eventually unfold before our eyes. We give our best because the Filipinos deserve nothing less. And make no mistake, the best is yet to come.